Good morning to our dear taxpayers. Cherry Jaldon here, the incumbent Revenue District Officer of RDO number 113A West, Davao City. It has been almost a year since I assumed the position of RDO in this district, which has an allocated goal of collecting 5,077 million for the year 2021. This was indeed a tough assignment given that during the year 2021, our country was and still is under constantly changing quarantine protocols due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thankfully, with your support, our district was able to exceed this goal set by the BIR National Office. Our total collection for the year 2021 reached 5,505 million, exceeding the goal set by 8.44% or an excess amounting to 428,686,000. Likewise, we have surpassed the actual collection for taxable year 2020 by 20.36% or about 931 million. Because of this, we would like to extend our gratitude for your unwavering and constant support to RDO 113A West Davao City. The improved collection performance is also attributed to the intensified effort of all the sections in the district, beginning with the client support section, which caters to all the primary and secondary registration concerns of the district's taxpayers, which is essential to the goal of widening our taxpayers' base, and to the assessment section, which handles all audit and other enforcement activities of the district, including but not limited to the conduct of audit, surveillance, and inventory stock taking. Taxpayer year 2022 poses another challenge for the district, as the country is now gradually opening its economy as we're on the road to beating the pandemic. The collection performance of the revenue agencies, especially the BIR, will greatly matter for the nation's future. Now more than ever, the whole nation relies on the BIR's commitment to provide the revenues needed to support our people and push our country forward towards a strong economic recovery. After all, about 80% of the revenue of the government comes from the collection of the BIR. For this year, RDO 113A West Davao was assigned a collection goal of 6,523 million, which is a 28% increase over the goal of taxable year 2021. We are therefore appealing to you, our valued taxpayers, to help us by paying your taxes correctly and promptly. Also, be reminded to file and pay your 2021 annual income tax returns before April 18, 2022, so avoid the rush. You can file your tax returns through EFPS and EBIR form facility, which is accessible to our official website, and you may also pay your corresponding tax at the authorized agent banks, revenue collection officers of the RDO, and any online e-payment channels such as GCash, PesoNet, PayMaya, MyEG, Land Bank Link Biz Portal, Union Bank Online, and DBP Online. Should you have any concerns, the doors of our office are open to address and resolve any of your questions, and you may visit our RDO 113A West Davao official Facebook page for your queries and tax concerns. RDO 113A West has set up tax filing assistance centers. From March 28 to April 18, 2022, we have it at the 4th floor of BIR building, Jaldon Extension. And from April 6 to April 18, 2022, we have tax tulungan centers at Gaisano Grand Kalinan and Gaisano Mall of the Real. And from April 11 to April 18, 2022, we have it at the parking area fronting the BIR Regional Office Building, Jaldon Extension, Davao City. Please continue your support for this district through your voluntary and timely compliance with your tax obligations. Your support shall be a great help in raising the much-needed revenue for the government, which is crucial to sustain the cash flow to fund the emergency health measures meant to continually and effectively combat the pandemic and our government projects. Please be assured that we will continue to strive to provide quality and excellent service to the taxpayers of RDO 113A West Davao City. Again, from all of us here at RDO 113 West Davao, salamat sa inyo, aming mga bayani. Ang pagbabayad ng buwis sa bayan, tatak ng kabayanihan.